Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time on your Casio GA-100. This is the module 5081. Now what you want to do is to press and hold the adjust button for around 3-4 seconds until you hear a small beep, and the first thing that you will be able to set and see is your home city. As you can see, we have Tokyo right here. Now we are going to use the mode button right here in order to toggle between different options. As you can see, now we have the DST. I'm going to press it once again. Here we can switch between a 12-hour display and a 24-hour display. As you can see, I prefer the 24. Now in order to switch between them, we are going to press the button on the right in order to switch between 24-hour display and 12-hour display. Now I'm going to press the mode button once again, and as you can see, the first thing that I can set are the seconds. Now when you press the forward button, the seconds are going to reset to 0. Now I'm going to press the mode button once again, and as you can see, we can set the hours. You can either use the reverse button in order to go backwards, or the forward button in order to go forward. You can also press and hold any of the two buttons in order to speed scroll. This is very useful when you want to set the minutes and, let's say, the day of the month. Now I'm going to press the mode button once again, and as you can see, now I can set the hours. Once again, I can press and hold, and since we have the 24-hour display, I can set up to 23 right here. So let's make it 2020. And in case you only wanted to set the time, you are going to press the adjust button in order to end the process. And that is how you set the time on your Casio GA-100. Now if you enjoy this type of content, guys, about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, watch unboxing videos, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I also have a full unboxing on this exact model, and I'm also going to make a full tutorial on all the features and functions of this exact model. I'm going to leave a link in the description below, so make sure to check it out. Once again, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment, and I'm going to see you on the next video.